Kaya kong bumili ng isang luxury bag ngayon, pero hindi ko siya bibilhin. Afford ko, pero hindi ko siya priority. Big difference. Hindi ka broke, hindi ka kulang. You just have discipline. Kasi let's be real, madaling gumastos kapag may pera ka. Pero mas mahirap yung may pera ka, pero nakakapagpigil ka. Yung kaya mong sumabay pero pinipili mong hindi. Not because you're missing out, but you know where you're going. Hindi lahat ng afford mo, deserve ng budget mo. Hindi lahat ng uso, kailangan mong sabayan. Because while others are spending for the moment, you are building for the long term. And that's not pagiging KJ ha, that's pagiging wise. So the next time someone says, afford mo naman ah, just smile and say, afford ko, pero hindi ko priority. All the things you chose to delay, all the things you chose to sacrifice will make sense because you didn't just spend, you built. Because discipline will only look boring to people who only chase pleasure. But in the long run, ikaw yung panalo. Afford mo, pero hindi mo priority. Sa ngayon. And that's your daily reminder for today.